Hey there, welcome back to Learn English. Today I'll teach you 5 smart words you can use instead of very, so you sound more natural and fluent in English.
Don't say very tired. Say exhausted. Example, I'm exhausted after work. Don't say very hungry. Say starving. Example, I'm starving. Let's eat. Don't say very angry. Say furious. Example, she was furious about the mistake. Don't say very beautiful. Say gorgeous. Example, you look gorgeous today. Don't say very good. Say excellent. Example, you did an excellent job. So next time, drop very and use these words instead. Comment below which one you'll start using today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others learn too.